I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of annoying. They're rusted out so bad that they're just breaking. I might skip the bumper today because it's a lot more to get into by taking this whole thing off with the valance. So my main focus is I got this side, but I gotta get this side, and I just keep doing this, and then I gotta try and pull these out of here. Stupid. These were a pain in the ass. As you can tell, there's 2 bolts on each side. I could have taken out more, like the bracket part, but I'm not going to need to. And they're so rusted out, I tried my best just to get at these. As you can tell, I threw it pretty far. I was pretty angry. But we got them both off. And I am beat. Every single bolt I broke off, the nut got stuck inside the socket. So that was fun. I had to, I'll just show you. I mean, I'm sure you guys have been through it. Heat it up, knock the nut out, do what you can. I just put my socket in here, tightened it up. I had a nail right here. I put into the socket part and just nailed the nut out. I mean, do what you gotta do. I don't have all my tools here. I don't have all my stuff here, so I just gotta make do with what I got. I decided to do this in the driveway thinking it wouldn't be an issue. It's really not. It's just so rusted out. But those are off, and we can finally put on some new shit. So yeah, I'm excited for that. What a headache. All right, guys, give it a quick detail with some Iron X on the wheels, which is spectacular. However, I'm gonna have to hit these wheels a few more times. They're in really bad shape. Not horrible, but enough to I'm gonna hit them a few more times. Probably not today, but today we did do the LEDs. We did not do the bumper because the front bumper is going to take a lot more time, which I'm going to save for a different video. We did take the step sides off, or if you can call them floorboards, whatever. Those are gone. That took a while. Pain in the ass. Hopefully I never have to do it again. Yeah. What you doing? Okay, where'd you learn that? All right, let's go move this truck. Let's go move it. Yeah. All right. Next day, attempting the floorboards. Step side, what do you want to call them? Well, this is a step side, but we got the Weston. We got some of the brackets and tools over here. I might skip a little bit of this, but I'll show you how it's on, like, you know, where it's, you know, how I did everything. There should be videos out there, but I'll kind of give you guys a quick run through. Okay. Well, got a little chilly out. Here's my new jack. It's a pretty big one, eh? You like that? However, I decided to turn the truck around to do this side now because it's kind of windy and I want to try and block the wind. This side's done. Screw all this rain though. Holy cheese balls. But here you guys see, there's one bracket here. This is how I have it in here. This bolt, this is a bigger bolt, the bigger nut, or no, sorry, not nut, but bigger bolt goes into the back side of this, into the floorboard itself. So there's no nut obviously on this end, it just goes right into the floorboard using the bottom. Same for the other side. I'll show you guys, but I have a bolt up here and one on the other side here. It should be, yes, right there. As you guys can see, on the front, let's get underneath here, turn around, there we go. Pretty cool. Again, the floorboard, the big bolt right here, goes into the floorboard, no nut. But yeah, hopefully that can help you guys out a little bit. Like I said, there's plenty of videos online showing how to do this. But otherwise, it looks pretty cool. I dig it. Finally, freshened up and got some new Floorboards. Let's see the other ones over here. Talk about a difference. So, very nice. LEDs again are done. That side's done. I just gotta do the side now. It's getting chilly, a little bit of rainy out, so hopefully I can knock this out faster. Since I got one side down, this side should be a little bit more easier. Alright. Old one's there. Passenger side done. This one went a lot faster since I got the driver's side figured out. Mostly just a bracket part. But we did get it all done. Cool, cool. New step sides, or some people call floorboards. We'll stick to floorboards. LED lights that are not on right now. I'm just happy that these are new. Finally something updated on Grandpa's truck, which my dad also owned, but it is Grandpa's truck. Dad got it, and now since my dad passed, I have it. This is one thing I still got to get to, and that chrome front bumper. So, should look nice. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping out. You can see I'm getting rosy. It's chilly. My hands are cold. I'm going to go inside and warm up a little bit. Can't even talk. Yeah, it's getting chilly. So being out here for this long, yep. Anyway, thanks for stopping out. Check out the Ford Ranger. And we got more coming for this truck. But for now, at least I got the LEDs done. The floorboard's done. And she's looking good. Wife's going to be home soon. We're going to go get some Chinese food. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. We got more content, boys and girls. Later.